Okay, so this is a Sundance Spa 850 spa control. It's the Cameo design. You can see down there. Date is 09/1897. Model Cameo is the model type. My issue here is we have one of the motors over here, which I think we're still in good shape with. You can see the water coming in and going out. The concern I have is this cable right over here, this guy that's going into the tub. I don't know if that's a hot water or not, but it's disconnected here. On this, it's a 1/2 inch, and it says right here on the top, SCHED40, and then the number 0-2466 with an arrow pointing this direction. And then this is the other half that it's supposed to be connected to. And then that comes along, goes underneath the pipe and connects to the big one, which again comes back in on this end. So I don't know what that does, or how long it's been broken, or if I can use it without it. So I'm looking for help on what exactly that is and how to replace it. Again, it's Cameo. Again, where it's coming into the hot tub is about right here. My guess is it's connected to that spot there, which I think used to be, or is, the hot water. Something connected to the hot water, if I recall. So, anyway, that's my question. What is this guy, and how do I fix it?